The Spigen iPhone 13 Pro Max case tough armor MagSafe compatible case is thin but tough. It has only one color option, that's black, and the material is polycarbonate. It is MagSafe compatible. Spigen has long been a dependable third-party manufacturer of phone cases. Its tough armor is an affordable and rugged solution for those who need excellent protection from their cases. It's a bit bulkier than some of other entries on the list, but that translates into increased durability. Importantly, Spigen's tough armor has additional magnets built in so that the MagSafe accessories continue to function just as well as they would on a bare iPhone. This isn't an issue with slimmer cases, but thicker models will prevent MagSafe from working correctly without these additional magnets. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends and subscribe us for regular videos.